Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make face builder models. Face builder tools are fantastic for generating three-dimensional head models directly from photographs. They often leverage advanced artificial intelligence to streamline the modeling process, making it accessible even without extensive three-dimensional experience. This allows you to quickly create highly realistic digital doubles for a wide range of creative projects, from animation to game development. To begin, you'll need a three-dimensional software application, such as Blender, along with a specialized face builder add-on. Before you start, gather several high-quality photographs of the face you wish to model. It's crucial to have images from various angles, including front, side, and three-quarter views. For optimal results, ensure the subject maintains a neutral facial expression and that the lighting is consistent across all photos. Once your photos are ready, import them into the Face Builder tool within your chosen software. The tool will typically provide a default three-dimensional head mesh. Your next step is to align this mesh to the facial features in your reference images. You'll use control points, often called pins, to precisely match the mesh to the eyes, nose, mouth, and other distinct features. Take your time to adjust these points for accurate geometry. After achieving a satisfactory mesh alignment, the next exciting step is to generate the texture. The Face Builder will project the details from your photographs directly onto the three-dimensional model. You can then refine this texture, often by equalizing brightness and color, to ensure a smooth and realistic appearance. Finally, export your completed three-dimensional face model in a compatible format for integration into other creative applications or projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.